Chapter number 1, Solid State, 12 Signs, Part 3. Hello students, I am Madhu Sinha, your chemistry teacher. Do watch my YouTube videos for clarification. Do like and subscribe for further notification. In this video, we will be discussing about crystal lattices and unit cell. Different types of unit cells exist in 2-dimension as well as 3-dimension. Let us study it in detail. The main characteristic of crystalline solid is regular and repeating pattern of constituent particles. If three-dimensional arrangement of constituent particle in a crystal is represented diagrammatically, in which each particle is depicted as a point, then the arrangement is called crystal lattice. Hence, a regular three-dimensional arrangement of points in space is known as crystal lattice or space lattice. There are 14 possible three-dimensional lattices which are known as Bravais lattice after the name of French mathematician who first described them. The following are the characteristics of a crystal lattice. Each point in the lattice is called lattice point or lattice site. Each point in a crystal lattice represents one constituent particle, which may be an atom, a molecule, or an ion. The lattice points are joined by straight line to bring out the geometry of the lattice. A portion of the crystal lattice, which when repeated in different direction generates the entire lattice, then that smallest portion is known as unit cell. Hence, unit cell is defined as that smallest portion of crystal lattice which when repeated in different direction generates the entire lattice. A unit cell is characterized by three edges A, B and C. These edges may or may not be mutually perpendicular. The angle between the edges alpha between B and C, beta between A and C, and gamma between A and B. Thus, a unit cell is characterized by 6 parameters, namely 3 edges ABC and 3 angle between the edges alpha, beta and gamma. There are 2 types of unit cells, namely primitive unit cells and centered unit cell. Primitive unit cell. When the constituent particles are present only on the corner positions of a unit cell, it is known as primitive unit cell denoted by letter capital P. Centered unit cell. When a unit cell contains one or more constituent particles present at the positions other than the corners, in addition to those at the corners, it is called a centered unit cell. The centered unit cell are further classified into three types: body-centered unit cell, BCC, face-centered unit cell, FCC, and end-centered unit cell. Body-centered unit cell. Such a unit cell contains one constituent particle at its body center besides the one which are present at the corners. Face-centered cubic unit cell, FCC. Such a unit cell contains one constituent particle present at the center of each face besides the one at its corners. In end-centered unit cell, one constituent particle is present at the center of any two opposite faces besides the one present at its corner. So many types of unit cells has been found, out of which 7 different types of primitive unit cell were recognized, namely cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, monoclinic, hexagonal, rhombohedral, triclinic, etc. These are characterized by parameters ABC and axial angles alpha, beta and gamma.